Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone 13 runs iOS 15 or later and has location services and notifications enabled. Once confirmed, open Settings and tap Notifications so you can access government alerts. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't permanently silencing emergency alerts. Temporary silences are fine. Now scroll to the bottom of Notifications. We're starting the actionable setup because alerts live there. This ensures the phone can receive and display the seismic alerts immediately when issued. Next, tap Government Alerts at the bottom of the notifications screen. This is where earthquake alerts are controlled. Turn on emergency alerts and specifically earthquake alerts if your region lists it. If you don't see an earthquake label, enabling emergency alerts covers regional seismic warnings. Once done, check sounds and vibration. Make sure volume is up, vibrate is active, and critical alerts are allowed. Doing this guarantees you'll hear and feel the alert, which is crucial when time to respond is limited. Finalize setup by verifying with a scheduled regional test or your carrier's notification status. These tests confirm end-to-end delivery. If you don't get a test alert, restart the iPhone and recheck government alerts and location services settings. Make sure low power mode isn't blocking background activity. If problems persist, reset network settings or contact your carrier because alerts depend on network provisioning. One key troubleshooting tip: reset network settings before factory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.